Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best biscuit cutter is probably one of the most essential tools in any kitchen, especially for those who love baking homemade biscuits, cookies, or pastries. This versatile gadget simplifies the process of creating perfectly shaped dough, ensuring consistency and saving you time and effort. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting, a good biscuit cutter can elevate your culinary creations from good to great, making every meal or treat a delightful experience. Number 5. Spring Chef Medium Dough Blender Hand Tool. Introducing a revolutionary tool designed to elevate your baking. It's perfect for cutting cold butter into flour, ensuring perfect results every time. Crafted with thicker, heavy-duty stainless steel blades, this tool is built to last. Achieve a professional texture and taste in all your baked goods. Make incredibly flaky biscuits, perfect pie crusts, and delicious pastries with ease. It quickly incorporates butter for a superior end product. Its comfortable, pressure-absorbing handle prevents hand and wrist fatigue. The thick rubber grip is safer and easier to use, even for those with arthritis. Beyond baking, it's perfect for chopping fruits, vegetables, and nuts, or even mashing baby food. Plus, cleanup is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. What we like? This tool is built to last with its durable metal blades, making it a workhorse in the kitchen. The comfortable soft grip ensures your hands stay fatigue-free, even during long baking sessions. If you're looking for a robust and versatile pastry blender that can handle tough jobs and offer a comfortable user experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The biscuit cutter has a comfortable handle that makes it easy to press down. It cuts cleanly through dough, producing perfect biscuit shapes every time. The cutter is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring it will last for a long time. Number 4. HULISEN 5PC Stainless Steel Biscuit Cutter Set. Experience the difference with our high-grade stainless steel cutters. They are rust-proof, incredibly easy to clean, and even dishwasher-safe, ensuring lasting quality and style. Achieve perfect results every time with clearly etched inch and centimeter markings. No more guesswork, just accurate sizing for all your baking creations. Our cutters feature comfortable, arched handles designed for effortless use and convenient storage. They fit perfectly in your hand for a better baking experience. Slice through dough and pastry with ease. The thoughtful design prevents sticking and includes a protective handle, keeping your fingers safe during use. Elevate your baking with this essential set. Create beautiful cookies, perfect donuts, round sandwiches, flaky biscuits, and so much more with precision and style. Presented in a gift-ready package, this set makes a wonderful present for any baking enthusiast. It's the perfect blend of functionality and thoughtful design. What we like? Achieve perfect results every time with its precision measurements etched directly onto the cutters. The ergonomic arched handle provides a comfortable and secure grip for effortless use. If you appreciate accuracy in your baking and want a stylish, user-friendly set that's also perfect for gifting, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This biscuit cutter has a comfortable handle that makes it easy to use. The cutter is made of durable stainless steel and is built to last. It cuts clean, even biscuits every time, without any sticking. Number 3. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Dough Blender and Biscuit Cutter Set. Introducing a baking set designed for superior performance. It's built to be sturdier and more durable than traditional tools, ensuring a better baking experience. Experience ultimate comfort with its soft grip handle, designed to reduce hand and wrist fatigue. It's also easier to use, especially for those with arthritis. Create perfectly round biscuits with the included set of 4 stainless steel cutters. Their soft silicone edges ensure comfort while pressing down. Elevate your baked goods with a better texture and taste. Achieve flakier biscuits, perfect pie crusts, and more with these efficient tools. This set is not just for biscuits, it's perfect for cutting butter into flour, making cookies, and so much more. It's a versatile addition to any baker's kitchen. Enjoy the convenience of a dishwasher-safe set. Cleanup is a breeze, allowing you more time to savor your delicious creations. What we like? This set offers the best of both worlds, combining a heavy-duty dough blender with a professional biscuit cutter set. The comfortable silicone edges on the cutters ensure a pleasant pressing experience, leading to uniform results. If you want a comprehensive solution for both dough preparation and biscuit cutting, and value comfort and consistency, this integrated set is ideal. What people say. This biscuit cutter with handle is a great addition to my kitchen. It cuts biscuits cleanly and evenly every time. The handle makes it easy to grip and use, even for extended periods. Number 2. Ourokhome Stainless Steel Bench Scraper. Introducing our premium bench scraper, crafted from high-quality stainless steel. It's designed for lasting sharpness, ensuring clean cuts every time you use it. This versatile tool is perfect for a variety of kitchen tasks. From dividing dough and slicing pizza to chopping vegetables and smoothing cakes, it handles it all with ease. Featuring an advanced laser-etched scale, you can measure and slice dough with perfect accuracy. This makes your baking process smoother and more enjoyable. The humanized design includes a patterned, non-slip handle for a secure grip, even with wet or floured hands. It also comes with a handy conversion chart for quick reference. Cleaning is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. You can also simply rinse and wipe it clean. Plus, the integrated hanging hole saves valuable kitchen space. What we like. Effortlessly achieve precise portions with the convenient laser-etched scale that won't wear away. Its non-slip handle provides a secure grip, even in messy kitchen conditions, making it incredibly practical. If you need a durable, multi-purpose tool for dividing dough, chopping ingredients, or even smoothing cakes, and value accuracy and a reliable grip, this bench scraper is a fantastic option. What people say. This biscuit cutter is very easy to use and makes perfect biscuits every time. The handle is comfortable to hold and provides a good grip, making it easy to press down. It cuts cleanly through dough without sticking, resulting in nicely shaped biscuits. Number 1. ALLTOP 5 Pieces Circle Biscuit Cutter. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a mirror finish, this baking tool is designed for durability and rust resistance. It's a reliable companion for all your daily baking adventures. This set comes with 5 different sizes, ranging from 134 to 314 inches in diameter. You'll have the perfect size for any recipe you can imagine. Featuring an upgraded arched handle, it provides a comfortable and efficient grip for effortless cookie making. It's also designed for easy hanging and storage. Beyond biscuits, this versatile cutter is perfect for cookies, small cakes, pancakes, donuts, and much more. Elevate your dessert creations with this essential kitchen tool. Made from stainless steel, it's completely dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your delicious baked goods. What we like. Crafted from premium stainless steel with a beautiful mirror finish, this set promises durability and rust resistance for years of baking. It includes 5 assorted sizes to cater to all your creative baking needs. If you're a baker who loves having a variety of sizes at your disposal and appreciates high-quality, long-lasting tools with a professional look, this set is a must-have. What people say. The cutter is very sharp and cuts through dough easily. The handle is comfortable to grip and provides good leverage. It's easy to clean and store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.